Hello everyone, Net for Save here. Yes, after such a long time, I have been here, away from the camera for the saving. Yes, I do my daily saving, and still I'm a wet savers. Traditional saver. But for time being, I'm holding my hobby. Craziness to buy one product after another one, and on the pause right now, because I have to make, someone happy too. I have more than enough products, and that's why I'm just holding myself. Or we're thinking like let's spend some money to see around the world. So we're taking the tours. So we just had a 2 3 months ago tour at the Iceland, and right now they have a active volcano, uh, effect, and people they have to evacuate it there. We feel sorry for them and pray to the Almighty for their safe and secure place they can find a shelter. But like I said, that's why I'm not coming like used to be before in front of the camera. But one of the viewers requested me to compare two great razor, the eraser. So I'm doing that for that gentleman, and I don't have my name in my head right now. But when you see the comments, maybe you can figure out who that person is, or Vat Savers is. Okay, now today before we start for the razors, let me show my other stuff. I'm gonna use Diver Down Saving Stick 6 formula, seasonal, very nice spicy scent by PAA, Phoenix Artisan Kurtzman's product, limited edition. I don't know they have it or they have it or not anymore. If you're lucky enough, you can find one, or maybe all sold out, and they may have another batch. So this is Divers Down, nice artistic work. Here you can see the alien kind of stuff. And I don't have a matching splash, but I'm gonna show you when the times comes. Oh, I forgot to get the brush. Let me get one. Sorry. Should go for. Okay, let me get the pearl here. Starcraft synthetic brush with this, and okay, now. So of the main showcase of this saving video is two great razor. I'm comparing. One is Pearl Hammer right here, made in India. It's a brass made CNC process, so very nice finishing you can see, and of course it will last a long time. Maybe lifetime you care well. It's a process of triple plate. They have quoted here that what they mentioned. It's hefty razor. If you have a big hand, this is the razor you want, and if you like heavy razor, this is the razor you want too. It's 134.85 grams with closed comb and open comb. You get two plates with this razor if you buy. One is closed comb and another one is open comb. Base plate is will be different, two different one. So this is a razor look like. Handle is like a hammer. It's a long handle, and it's available on Amazon right now. It's $45 cost right now. I don't know. You may find a Black Friday deal or not on these. Close comb, no overhang at all. Blade stays inside, and here the blade gap is in between 0.745 to 80 millimeter blade gap. Here you can see, and I'm going to use these razors on the left side of my face, and another razor made in USA with I forgot the Matt or something. I don't know the person name. Blackland Blackbird. This is a machine finish I have. They have a polished also if you pay extra $30 I think. But I'm happy with the machine finish. So here I have with a long handle Blackland Blackbird close comb. Here the how the razor look like. I have a blade loaded in both razors, same blade, first use, and I have a this blade in both razor, Extra Super Platinum double edge, and this is the blade I bought. As you know, when I enter in wet saving, I bought this is the blade I bought in the first batch of my blade, which is Extra ASP in the short form of the wet saving community. These razor made in USA, totally made in here. I mean USA, North America. It's I mean it. This come with the 5 Persona Lab Blue blade with that too, and it's lifetime warranty, and it's made out of Everett iconic aircraft R-71. It's weight about 100 gram with the long handle and 98 gram with the short, or maybe 102 or 105 gram. And they made by 303 black stainless steel, product for the stainless steel. I don't know. I mean that much about the stainless steel. And the long handle length is 101 mm, and the short one you can get about these 85 mm. Right now, it's available for $130 US, which is a good price. It's a stainless steel, very nice razor. I really enjoying using it. Of course, they have a little overhang on the side, not that much. And here the blade gap you can see. If you compare the both blade gap, let me keep on pearl on the left and one on the right. You can see the pearl have a little bit more blade exposure than Blackland, right? Both side alignment is perfect, but this saves is good too. You can done with one pass if you're in a hurry. My type of hair, growth. I have medium to a little bit heavier side of the coarse hair, growth. I have 1.5 day growth on my facial. Right now it's evening here in Midwest in the US, and here you can see the time 8:30 almost 8:21. So I have prepped my face with a hot towel. When I say evening, I do hot towel prep, and let's start saving with both of these razor. I'm wetting my face. Get the soap stick. It's easy. I'm going to do the face lathering. Okay, see, just a little bit, but when I build the leather, oh yeah, it's gonna be bloom and very nicely built. Okay, now I'm happy with the products I have right now, and I'm using it. I still have all these razors, which I've reviewed lately. I didn't sell anything so far, and yes, I'm holding my inventory right now. Nothing to review. Okay, I have some of the water in there. Let me build some good leather on my face. So how's your journey is going right now? All these great artisan made products, and some of the products you can buy from Amazon easily now. I'm gonna have my collar messed up, so let me open it up. It will smell good anyway. Nice smell, I mean spicy. You can see cinnamon there, nutmeg, sandalwood, sage, all kind of nice spices. I mean, I really love this diver down smell. One of my favorite seasonal soap. If you hear the sound in the back, TV is on in my house, so enough soap. Filled it. Oh man. Down my God, sucks up this soap. Clean it up. Don't need that much that low on the neck. Near the hairline. Okay, enough leather to get going with the first pass. I'm using Blackland Blackbird. Close tongue, long handle, machine finish with extra SP blade first use and this fresh blade, first use on it. See, in one pass, wow. I'm really enjoying using this fantastic razor. Stainless steel lifetime. The investment, it's $130. I think it's worth it right now. Let me try. I have some more area to finish. Let me get it done. Little blood. Still, my favorite blade is not a ASP anyway. I mean, you get better say with other blades. Let me go ahead and start saving with pearl hammer. Razor, excellent razor, heavyweight. I just has to use the weight of the razor, no pressure at all. I still feel a little blade on Blackland side than the pearl, but yeah, it saves as good as. Yeah, it's let me compare the closeness of the save. But same. Yeah, pretty much close ballpark. Some of the dots here, see, I have a little blood. Blackland, sometime once in a while I get weepy, small cuts too, if I don't use. Actually, I have to use my spray bottle. It's helpful, if you have this bottle, then yeah, it is. Keep your hand, away from the soap because you have to hold the razor again for second and third pass. So this kind of mist bottle, mist helps, get your face wet. It's not costly. I saw one of the VP on my chin, always getting, some kind of cuts and nicks over here on my chin. It's too much of a bone, too much of curve. After all these years of waxing, I'm still, I mean, getting challenging, area of my chin area. Sometimes I have a big cut once in a while. I mean, even though you are experienced whatsoever, you get cut. Okay. Across the green, second pass with the Blackland, Blackbird. I feel a little drag, on the Blackbird and the Pearl. And this makes sometime feel like I'm. Oh, sorry. Left side. No drag. It just glide easily. I mean, to be honest, if you don't want to spend certain amount of money or your pocket doesn't allow you, I mean, this will be the razor you want. You don't want to spend $100 plus, then for 45 US dollar you get open com, close com, and that's it. Yeah, I feel I like it. I mean, Blackbird, don't take me wrong. But I think I get a more smoother sail from Pearl Hammer with extra ASP. And you can see without cut, I have as close as Blackland, Blackbird kind of saving on left side too. And my right side is, like left is more challenging. But even though that, yeah, it's glides so smoothly. And here we have some funny dragging kind of feeling I get. I have enough. I mean, it's good enough. Very nice close save. I don't know. I'm gonna go for the third one or not. Let's. Not have enough soap either. Let me. Go with the third one. Actually, I don't need it, but some VP on my face. I'm gonna have one more video later on. That video is very interesting, so keep an eye on it. I'm not gonna reveal the subject. It's not gonna be a comparison or review or anything. It's interesting topic. Uh, Against the grain with the pole hammer on the left. Before, I don't know, before Christmas or after Christmas. Not before Christmas, I will make it. Alrighty. Down on the left side, very nice close there. Nice close there on the chin. Oops. Anyway, okay, it's okay now. Both are, yeah, I mean, still, there's some drag you feel on the Blackland, but it's saving good. You don't feel comfortable sometimes. Certain blade, you get cut, clips, and you have drag kind of. I don't like, I think the other razor have drag in it. But I'm not complaining about the Blackland. I mean, it's saving me. Every time I use, I get a good close save, and I do use it. Very nice close save. Let's see. A bit closer save on the Blackland side, and Genie at the same thing. Already. That's all. We passed. We also no editing, nothing. 24 minutes. Gone. Warm and cold water. Very nice smell by Diver Down. Okay, not crazy cut or a weep or anything, just gone away. It's happened with me. I'm not taking blood thinner, but I do drink ginger water. It makes my blood stain, and that's make my skin so sensitive, and when you have little over, just blood pops out. Nothing major. We use pear with hazel, cucumber. Uh, to close the pore and soothness. And then after, I'm gonna use the alcohol. They're ready. Let me try this off with my towel dry. Very nice close sale. It's small. We've been cut over here and there, but after all, it's closed. Nice close sale. Good to go for a couple days. Already compared two great manufacturers, one made in India, one made in US, and both razors are good savers. You know, I always occasionally use with these razors. If you are budget friendly, buy the pearl hammer. It will give you fantastic sales. You know, I mean heavy. It's heavier than Blackland. Okay, 134 gram, 102 gram or something. But it saves good. I mean both. This one have a little drag, can feel, and this one goes smoother than this one. But saves just a little bit closer on this side, I guess, so than pearl hammer. But still, it is not that bad at all. I mean, close enough. PPS both side actually. Yeah, I mean it's about the same. I mean I cannot say that this is closer than these. I mean, very nice. I hope you enjoy the showdown of this comparison, and hope your wonderful holiday seasons come up, and happy Thanksgiving to you and your loved ones. Okay, take care and be happy.